Hi everyone, I'm Cheri and I have a food blog called cookswellwithothers.com. That is my website where I share the meals and the recipes that I make for my family each week. I usually come up with a meal theme for each week just to kind of make things a little bit more fun. This week in particular for me, it's crazy busy. We have back to school time. I'm a full-time second grade teacher. My son has football practice every week. My daughter is actually coming home from college to visit this week. So we just have a lot going on. So this week's meal plan is going to be a little bit different in that the fact that I'm doing all meal prep dinners this week. I'm going to prep everything on Sunday. And then that way I have lunch every day. We have dinner every day. I'm going to do individual containers for everyone. And it'll be a lot less stress on me and a lot more time that I can spend with my daughter who is home from college this week. So we have this week's meal prep meal plan, which you can find at cookswellwithothers.com, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you never miss out on some new dinner ideas. So our first meal prep that I'm going to make is probably one of my all-time favorite meals. It is Greek chicken meal prep bowls. We have some couscous, feta cheese, sun-dried tomatoes, grilled chicken, absolutely amazing. Mix it all together with the hummus and it is fabulous. We also have a turkey taco salad, kind of turning tacos into a salad, and the dressing is basically light sour cream and salsa all mixed together. Kind of put the tortillas on the side so that they stay crunchy. We also have, for a meal prep idea, we have Old Bay cauliflower rice bowls. It's shrimp and peppers all mixed together with some Old Bay aioli and cauliflower rice. And then we also have some egg, spinach, and feta freezer burritos. Those are absolutely amazing for an easy breakfast on the go, just 2 minutes in the microwave. It makes a ton, so it lasts a long time, and they are really, really, really yummy. So I hope that you enjoyed this week's meal prep ideas, and I will be back next week with some new dinner ideas for you.